Need to manage your organization's Google Workspace settings? Here's how to log into the Google Admin Console quickly and securely. Go to the Admin Console. Open your browser and visit admin.google.com. Enter your admin email. Sign in using your Google Workspace admin account, usually ends in your company domain, not at gmail.com. Enter your password. Click Next and type your password to continue. Access the admin dashboard. Once signed in, you'll land on the admin console dashboard where you can manage users and devices, set up email and security, control apps and billing, tips for admins, use two-step verification for added security, bookmark the login page for quick access. If you forgot your admin password, click Forgot Password to reset it. Now you're ready to take full control of your organization's Google Workspace settings.